Good morning again. Welcome to the third of three parts of our video series for today. I'd like to talk about quid pro quo. In short, it means literally, I'll give you something if you can give me something also. That would be fit for me. Although in the workplace, sometimes it has an illegal, an illegal proposition. So let's say I won't report you to the boss if you will do the same to me. So the purpose of this video, number one, is for us to be able, again, as I keep on mentioning, to talk about seemingly complicated subject matters in its simplest form, and at the same time, for workers to be aware of these things, these subtle things that are happening in the workplace, because it is really very important for everyone to follow the rule of law and maintain integrity. It's really very important for us to care about our industry and love our work, because when we deal with those things, in the long run, it will be detrimental to the business. And of course, it is really very important for us as a person to maintain an attitude that is conducive to business, because our main goal is to care for our employers and give the clients their uh, the things that they need from us to sometimes to exceed expectation. So quid pro quo may not this term may not be known to a lot of workers, but this probably happens on a daily basis. So, for example, maybe in the BPO industry, there could be instances wherein some people will be dropping calls, and some of the leaders may know such and would remain silent about it, uh, because they know that if they would do that, then perhaps uh, the people who are doing the things that are detrimental to the business would somehow save their neck in some future time. So this repeated instances of this will cause eventually a downward trend in performance, and eventually client dissatisfaction. So for leaders, and we need to love our industry, especially the BPO industry, because it's contributing almost 8% to the country's economy, to the country's GDP. So we need to care, and each one of us can do so by maintaining our integrity. So again, the purpose of this video is for us, for the ordinary person to be able to talk about seemingly complicated matters in its simplest form. And another goal would be for us to reiterate the importance of rule of law, integrity in the workplace. We need to love our work, and we need to ensure that we are always inspired, because again guys, especially you in the BPO industry, I will reiterate, you are doing a great job and you contribute a lot to our country's GDP. So love your work and make sure that we always maintain integrity. All right? Thank you guys. God bless.